Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, everyone, and good evening there in Pinas. This is Kantayo Beth live streaming, and we are here now doing ready for our Zumba sa Mabinat Malusog group. So I'm so happy that I'm able to do live streaming in my YouTube channel. So, and thank you everyone for subscribing the Kantayo Beth and Mabinat Malusog group. So, I'm just checking it out and trying to checking it out and trying my live streaming. So, it is now official that Kantayo Beth is already have a live streaming. So welcome, and I will let you join with us today doing a Zumba daily Zumba move. So hello and thank you, and mayong gabi ninyong tanan o magandang gabi sa Luzon, here in the US this morning. So salamat sa inyo. Wala pa, di pa ako nakaload ng videos ko sa singing dahil nga napuno yung storage ko. So here we go. We'll just bump it up for our daily. I think I just got back from my vacation, so now the Mabinat Malusog group is on the run again. So please do subscribe the Mabinat Malusog group, and those who subscribe the Kantayo Beth's channel. So thank you again, and I'm so happy I finally got my live streaming and YouTube channel. So just checking again. I'm just checking, see if it is actually working. Hello, the region Kalolo is watching, and from Lapu-Lapu, Cebu. And we are here in Levittown, one of my friend's house, that we are doing our Zumba. So live and alive, and we thank God for that. The beautiful morning. So we've been having two days of rain here, and now we have a beautiful day. Oh, see,